My name is Moira Griffiths-Parr and I'm a resident on the Wirral, and I've been attending Professor Pettit's clinic for the last 11 years. I was diagnosed with CLL in 2012 and immediately went on to a clinical trial with that diagnosis. That trial went really well, and I got about 3.5 years remission from that trial. And then of course with the disease of CLL, it does tend to go to sleep and then come back again in some cases, and it did with me. And I was then offered a second clinical trial. Sometimes clinical trials don't suit everybody, and this particular drug was good, but it really didn't suit me in the way that I hoped it would. We moved through the years, and the last 2 years I've been on a third clinical trial, and that is going extremely well. I really do believe in clinical trials. I think everybody should have the opportunity of asking their physicians, are there any clinical trials to enable my treatment to be good? And I think that in doing so you can have that power and you can have that information to move forward. So therefore I think that there should be confidence when asking about clinical trials, and that you will be given a tremendous amount of information. And the wonderful thing about CCC Liverpool is that we have the most fantastic lead nurses. We have a lead trials nurse who I've been working with for the last 11 years, and we have many other clinicians who give support to patients when they're on clinical trials. And please don't think that you're just going to be given a drug and you're just going to be left to it. It's not like that at all. You really are very well monitored, and that's why I believe in clinical trials. I'd say ask as many questions as you think you can ask, and work with your trials nurse, because they're only too willing to take you through. They lead you through hand by hand with all your worries and your concerns, and so I don't think there's anything really to be worried about. And we have that excellence at CCC, whereby we can put our confidence into our nurses as well as our professors and our doctors. So yeah, don't be scared. You have the support mechanism there. So clinical trials in all areas are exceptionally important, and it's probably going to be one of the ways in which that we can see the end of this terrible disease called cancer.